Hello, you are on this video because you are struggling to build an Automoblox axle. Just over there looking raggedy, huh? All right, but good thing for you, Mr. Burton is here to help you out with it. All right, so we're gonna go to the part studio. Let's open up a new part. And we're gonna be sketching on that front plane. And we're going to be using these dimensions here, okay? Now, we're only going to sketch half of this, and I'm going to explain to you the correct order to dimension this so you don't get all those wonky dimensions and the stuff moving all left, right, and center. So let's go ahead and sketch on that front plane. Zoom in, and we're going to grab that line tool. I like to start from the center. So that first line doesn't have a dimension, so we're not going to worry about it, and neither does this one. This line does have a dimension, so we're going to stop. And we are going to put in 0.33 as we see right there. And then zoom in. Let's go ahead and draw the rest of that shape. So these lines don't have dimensions. This one right here is 0.05. So let's go ahead and just sketch the rest of that little shapey shape out. Boom, boom, and boom. All right, so wait, hold on. Let me make sure I have that correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. And then this one is 0.05. We're going to zoom in here. Let me pull that one down so we can see it. Now, let's talk about the dimensions from here to here. So from here to here, it says 0.19, right? But we're only doing half of the shape. So we're going to do here to here. And that was 0.19, but we got to cut it in half. So you're going to put divided by 2. And that's going to move that where it needs to be. And then from here to here is going to be 0.25 divided by 2. And from here to here, we're going to get 0.29 divided by 2. Perfect. So we got all the dimensions over here on the right side of the shape. So let's go ahead and sketch the left side of that axle now. We're going to pull this up, make sure that's about symmetrical. Now, this line here and this line here, they also have dimensions. So according to this is 0.19 and this is 0.25. So 0.19, make this one 0.25. Perfect. And then we are going to sketch the shape there, pull this one up. So these two lines have dimensions, as we can see. This one is 0.05. And this one is 0.01. Oops. This one is 0.01. You're going to hit enter there. And now we pretty much have, well, no, not yet. We got to do these height dimensions here for the axle. So from here to here, again, is 0.19. So, but again, we're only sketching half. So 0.19 divided by 2. And then here to here is going to be 0.25 divided by 2. We love that. And from here to here is going to be 0.3 divided by 2. 0.3 divided by 2. All right, so we got all those dimensions. Now, what's going to keep it from moving around, we're going to do that overall width dimension, which is 0.88. Before we sketch the top, perfect. It's going to put it all in the correct view. So let's go ahead and finish up this shape. So we're going to bring it here. And then this dimension here is going to be 0.07. Perfect. And then we are going to come down here and kind of make it a little slanted, but not too slanted. Pull it up. We can always pull this down just a tad. Actually, yeah, no, this is good. Okay, so we just got to do that overall height dimension, which is 0.4 divided by 2, or just 0.2. And you have a fully sketched out axle. Gonna hit the check mark, and then we're gonna zoom in on it. And we're not gonna extrude, we're gonna revolve. So with the revolve, you gotta hit the faces. So just click on the center. Then for the revolve axis, it's gonna be this bottom line right here. Hit the check mark. Perfect. We got that axle that we wanted. Now the only thing we have left to do is to put that little gash right here, that little cutout in the center, or not the center, but the left side of the axle rather. So we're going to start a sketch right here, and we have it in the center. We're going to come to the rectangle, but do this drop down menu. We're going to do a center point rectangle. So from the center, we're just going to drag it up. It doesn't really matter how far you drag it up. We're going to dimension that in a second anyway. And it says that the rectangle is 0.04 wide. So we're going to hit, oops, not that one. We're going to hit 0.04. And that is not what we wanted. Okay, so let me undo that, y'all. So hit it over, and then this is supposed to be 0.04. But why is it not putting it over my shape? Oh, okay, I guess I could just do that. Okay, so no, we don't want that. Sorry, y'all. We're gonna do this one more time. You're gonna hit the center point rectangle. All right, center point rectangle. We're gonna hit that origin. Move it over. Sorry, y'all. Let's not cooperate. Okay, there we go. We're gonna move it over the shape. Honestly, let's just keep this as it is, because it doesn't matter how high it is anyway. And then let's dimension this one. Let's dimension this line to 0.04. There we go. That's what we wanted. Cool. All right. So we're going to zoom in on that thing, and we're going to extrude it here, and we're going to extrude it here, and then we're going to switch that to 0.2. There we go. That's what we wanted. So let me take a look at everything here. We have our Automoblox axle. Perfect, 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 perfect. And just the last thing you want to do is you want to highlight that, and you want to color it. I'll just do like this gray. You can color it whatever you want to color it. It is your car project that you are making. But there we have it. Now we have an Automoblox axle.